Italy and Spain are sending warships to assist the international aid flotilla trying to take aid to Gaza after it came under drone attack. The Global Sumud Flotilla is using about 50 civilian boats to try and break Israel's naval blockade of Gaza. Many lawyers and activists, including Swedish climate campaigner Greta Thunberg, are on board. An Italian frigate was sent on Wednesday, hours after the Global Sumud Flotilla said it was targeted by drones in international waters off Greece. The flotilla blamed Israel for the attack, in which the drones dropped stun grenades and itching powder. No one was hurt.
Y que se respete el derecho de nuestros ciudadanos.
Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez said on Wednesday Spain would be sending a warship in case the Spanish nationals and the others aboard needed assistance or rescue.
Well, we are stressed a little bit.
A Spanish lawmaker, Juan Bordera, is on board the flotilla.
Yesterday were 12 explosions. Some of them were not only with explosives, also with some kind of liquid that is flammable. So, it has been a crazy nightmare yesterday.
The Israeli Foreign Ministry did not respond directly to accusations it sent the drones. It repeated an invitation for the flotilla to drop humanitarian aid at an Israeli port, leaving it to Israeli authorities to take it to Gaza. Israel has accused the flotilla activists of complicity with the Hamas militant group. Italian Defense Minister Guido Crosetto said on Thursday Italy couldn't guarantee the safety of Italian citizens in other countries' territorial waters. Italy also urged the activists not to break the Israeli blockade and instead to hand over their aid supplies so they could be distributed by the local Catholic Church in Gaza. The flotilla came under drone attack twice earlier this month, while at port in Tunisian waters.